lap through here.
No problem. I'll make it my best one.
There you go.
I'll make it my best one. Hello everyone, this is Mr. B from Lamborghini For Me, and we're about to drive this gorgeous Lamborghini Huracan Performante. It has 631 horsepower from its 5.2-liter V10 engine with 443 pounds per foot of torque. Its intelligent and innovative ALA system and more incredible features makes this Huracan variant very thrilling. Seeing it in person is one thing, but driving one for the first time is a totally different experience. Before we drive, we would like to thank Velocity Driving for this opportunity. They have a magnificent fleet of cars for the general public to either ride along as a passenger or drive them yourselves. From the Ferrari 458 Spider, Porsche 911 GT3 RS, to the 50th anniversary Gallardo. For more information and bookings, we provided the link below this video. It's now time to drive the Huracan Performante.
Straight away. Straight, punch it.
Such a marvelous sound.
It is.
It's such a marvelous
This
sound.
will be our hard brakes. This will be our hairpin. We're going to have a hard right left. We're going to have a left right left chicane through this section.
Oh, I see. Awesome. Woo.
Little straightaway. Then we'll have a dab with the brakes, and that'll be a right, and then kind of a double apex left.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
That's going to be a quick lap of our track. Same thing, once the car's pointed straight and you're in a straight line, then feel free to punch it.
Most definitely.
And power on. Punch it all over the floor. Yeah, there you go. Hard on brakes. You'll stay a little right and then dive through and then hold up the line. Yeah, there you go.
Beautiful. Beautiful. It just thrusts you backwards.
It does, it does. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, a lot stronger than this Wow. It's just so nimble too, very agile.
It is.
Oh
The steering and the brakes are just right there where you want it to be.
Woo. Brakes are beautiful too.
Yep.
Strong.
Yep, very strong.
Dual clutch, right?
Yes.
For this one still?
Yeah, you'll feel it. Like it shifts fast, really, really quick. Yeah, the transmission, especially compared to like the Gallardo that you said you drove earlier.
Yeah.
Like that one, that's got the single clutch, so it, it takes a second.
It takes
and then
some time.
Clutches, it really kicks you in the back.
This one is just
very smooth. It just feels right there with you. Right?
Definitely. It still has the carbon fiber has more of the rigidness too, especially around the seats. It feels different.
Sorry, what was that?
The seating, the seats.
Yeah, so
it has that bucket, sturdy, more wrapped around.
Exactly. Yeah, with the Performante package, the seats are definitely much more body hugging.
Wow.
Pretty good, huh?
Those you go.
Fourth and final lap through here.
No problem. I'll make it my best one.
There you go.
I'll make it my best one.
Nicely done.
Beautiful.
We're gonna track exit right through the two uprights.
Two uprights?
Yep.
Awesome.
And then we'll circle around behind and we'll park on the far side of the Gallardo. Yep.
Right here.
Perfect. Right on, man.
Woo! Beautiful, beautiful,
Awesome.
beautiful,
So we'll take
beautiful.
both paddles and flick them straight back towards you.
Yep.
And then we'll go down here, P for park.
Perfect.
And parking brake is right back there. It pulls back. Yep, there we go.
Yes.
Awesome, my friend.
Oh.
That's the Lamborghini Huracan Performante.
Awesome.
Nicely done.
This is great, sir.
Nicely
This is
done.
great. Such a beautiful ride.